Spotting and fixing. Common causes of engine backfire in Audi. Does the engine of your car occasionally pop or bang? Many different things can cause such a problem, one of which is engine backfire. When the air-fuel mixture ignites outside of the cylinder, it results in a backfire. So, what can cause a car engine to backfire? Let's find out. Audi engine backfire. Reasons explained. Reason: no. 1 Spark plugs are not firing correctly. When was the last time you changed spark plugs in your car? Spark plugs, if not replaced in time, can result in different engine problems like stalling, misfire, and, yes, backfire. Reason: no. 2 Engine running lean. A lean air-fuel mixture is another common reason for a car engine to backfire. Below are a few reasons why a car engine can run lean. Vacuum leak, faulty fuel injection system, defective air intake system. Reason: no. 3 Engine running rich. The risk of an engine backfire increases when the air-fuel ratio is rich. Rich air-fuel mixture can also contribute to the following problems: misfire, stalling, sputtering. Reason: no. 4 Valve train system is at fault. The valve train system serves to regulate the operation of different types of valves. If it goes bad, the engine will run rough and may even backfire. Reason: no. 5 Lack of maintenance. Irregular maintenance can also contribute to engine backfire. If you want to get the most out of your car engine, give it some love. Bottom line: engine backfire has all sorts of causes and could indicate anything. You need to figure out what's wrong before things go north.